Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am back with an interesting video. For Yellow Pearl the Wolf. Now you're probably wondering why this says Queen Yellow Pearl the Wolf. That's because probably should have put a command block for this. This is a video celebrating Yellow Pearl the Wolf's 15,000 subscribers. She has made it this far in pretty much a year, like a year and a half. A lot of YouTubers would be lucky to even get close to this. Whoops. Sorry about that, Queen Yellow. But some people would get lucky to get this, like even remotely close to 15,000 in their first year. But she did it. So all hail Queen Yellow, the master of YouTube, the master of Flipperclips, one of the best animators I have ever seen. This video is for you, Yellow. Congratulations on it. Ignore that little X over there. That was when I was testing something. Now, this is a video about Yellow. And, hang on a second. I need to, I should not have placed grass. Yeah, I had to get rid of that. That was getting annoying. But this is a video about Yellow, but I just like to say, I noticed that, I dropped to 99 subs after I posted my last video. If you guys think that, look, and I also noticed that it didn't have any views. Now, I can't control the thumbnails. Now, when I titled that video, I can only have 12 plants, or however I worded it. That was not clickbait. There was literally a level where I had to have 12 or less plants. I titled it after that video, and it was not meant to be clickbait, in case any of you thought it was. And I'm extremely sorry about that to everyone who did think it was clickbait. It was a gazillion times percent not meant to be clickbait. And I will do a punishment video some other time to prove how sorry I am. But that's gonna end the video here. Once again, Queen Yellow Pearl the Wolf, I bow to you. I bow. I'm not even good enough to be in your presence. I belong here. In comparison to you. But, yeah. Congratulations once again, Yellow Pearl, on 15,000. And I will see you all next time. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you all next time, and goodbye. Wish I could edit.